Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Jackie DeShannon, and the song that we are going to listen to is Put a Little Love in Your Heart. This is our first time single take honest reaction to this song. It is a request of our patron Jeff.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, put a little love in your heart, and yeah, the whole world will seem a lot better. Things will seem better.
For you and for me.
The individual life of a human being in modern society, in today's world, is quite complicated. And it's complicated mainly for one reason, is that we have complicated it ourselves. It's not that the world has complicated things for us. The world has only given us choices. Choices, and more choices. In other words, we have options, and more options. So the world has not complicated things for us in any way. It's us that we have tried to do so much of everything. We've tried to put our fingers, dabble our fingers in different things. It's like, let me give you the example of food. It's a wonderful leg of a chicken that's marinated in white wine vinegar and soya sauce, and deep fried, crumb fried in deep fryer. It's out hot, nice big leg of a chicken in front of you, and in front of you there are 50 different sauces in little bowls. Let's say you dip your chicken in each of them little and have it. By the time you get to your chicken, after having dipped in all those 50 sauce bowls, first of all, chicken itself will have become cold. It will have lost a bit of its moisture on the inside. It will have become little bit less tastier because of this one fact that the moisture is less. It will also be more chewy in your mouth. It will not seem like it's going down well. And that is one part of the issue because of the time spent in dipping your hands in, dipping your chicken in different, fried chicken in different bowls. And now comes the next part of the complication or the problem. When you actually taste a bite of it, will you even taste a chicken? Obviously not, because you have dipped that chicken leg into 50 different bowls different sauces, from mustard to pepper, from soya to something else. You have dipped your, into 50 different sauces. That's how we live our lives today. We are trying to do so much, we are exposed to so much in this world, whether through television, through the phones, through people at home, through our conversations, through our audiobooks, music, movies, everything. We are in our own experiences. Obviously, now there are lesser experiences of people where they actually go out there and experience things because of the pandemic and etc. But right now, we are living such a complicated life that the chicken itself, which is our own life, with our beating heart, our brain, and everything on the inside, we don't actually get to experience anything from our point of view anymore. Because the exposures are so vast and complicated and different that at the end of the day, we don't really know if any single activity or event that we experience, is it our actual individual experience or someone else's opinion that is we think is our experience, if you get my drift. So this is that kind of a song. Maybe it's talking about that. Put a little love in your heart. Maybe love is the answer. I don't think it's that simple though. Not to break ruin it for this artist and the writers of the song, but it's not so simple. The what's simple is meditation. Meditate every single day, 2 to 5 hours at least. Every single day, spend time alone, in a quiet place preferably, no distractions. Just do that. That's meditation. Just do those 2 to 5 hours every single day of your life. Automatically you will, kind of wipe your slate clean. And that's when you're ready to actually experience things in a more wholesome, holistic, meaningful, purposeful, and cleaner, purer way. What are your thoughts, Kirti?
For me, when every time it came, put a little love in your heart, I said put heart in your body first. Because a lot of us physically may have it, but we have stopped feeling our own heart. And without the heart, we cannot really live even for a moment. But we have forgotten to feel our own heart for a change. We have cluttered our lives not by accumulating things around us. I'm not talking about the physical clutter. That often, the moment we talk about clutter, people's brains start functioning. Yes, it is all about the material things I've been buying, I've been spending on, I've been acquiring at home, I've been hoarding around me. That's not just the clutter of the home, but also the clutter in your brain, and that happens because of too much exposure. Just like Savio said about the 50 sauces and the dips, there are 50 options. Out of that, we keep on cluttering our brain. Some little bit rub off of something else and something else and something else, which wasn't required. As an individual, I didn't need that. I would have been something completely different if it wasn't for all these rubbing off that happened on my brain. I would have been something else. I would have been someone else. Finding that someone else which you are supposed to truly be will be the first step.
Yeah, that's about it for this one. Goodbye.